Hello to you all guys. I have been waiting for a very long time to make this video. It's going to be a little interesting one. This video is for the students who get 2000 views or 2000 more views on their article, their poems, their stories, their essay. First, just log into Open MuteBreak and I will be sharing the details in a very clear manner to you all. So in my previous videos I have told that how MuteBreak helps students to get extra exposure outside the campus also, how teachers, students, employees, schools can get an extra exposure also, and how they can pick the benefits of MuteBreak, how MuteBreak can be monetized and can help the writers, the activists, whoever uploads their content, how to register your Gazette, how to register as a reporter and follow your Gazette, how to write an article, how to write your poem, how to write your essay, how to get approved by your Gazette admin, your school magazine admin, how they're going to approve your article, and how your article, your poem going to be public outside your school, outside your institution also, and everybody can see and find out what you have written, what creative mind you all have. So first of all, I would like to tell you something, that in the entire academic period of a student, he or she writes many stories, many essay, many poems also. Not only students but teachers also, employees also, who publish their articles to the school magazine which they publish yearly. But ask a question from yourself, that what do you all get by publishing that essay of yours, your poems on your school magazine? I believe you get nothing much. So in here, if some schools register your Gazette, register their Gazette, their online magazine, their online storybook, their online essay book, their online poem book, and in which students upload their content, their articles, from here every student's gonna get something or the other. How? That's I'm going to tell you in this video. In my previous videos about MuteBreak, using of the MuteBreak, and how you students and schools can get benefit on MuteBreak, with MuteBreak, I have explaining all these things in a very detailed manner in my previous video. If you haven't seen the videos, just went to the portal, and at the down here you can find the videos saying registering the students, monetizing the Gazette and everything, these videos. Or if you want to get more videos, you can just go to the video sections over here and you can find more videos also over here. The detailing of entire MuteBreak to use from root, how to register your Gazette, how to write your article, how to monetize your article, and how students who write their essay can get benefited by their article, poem, stories and things if they write to their school magazine and if their article get approved. So in this video I will tell you how a students or the writer get free gift from MuteBreak if their article views crosses 2000s. Okay, so let me just go to the reporter sections. Okay, I'll be opening a Gazette. So in here you can see the list of entire Gazettes, magazines of school, colleges, and the writers and anybody who wants to publish their online journal. We found a article of a school, a student have written an essay, and that particular essay went above 2000 views. So in this case, the student who have written that particular essay can just log in to their Reporter account and avail the gift by himself or herself, and that gift will be delivered to his or her doorstep by the MuteBreak team. So you can see it over here that this particular essay, short essay speech on this particular essay, has got more than 2000 views, means 2.1k views. If I'll go to read all section, the entire content is going to open and you're going to see it over here. Okay, the images are also here and the views this student have got more than 2000, means 2001. So this student can open his Reporter account and book his gift. What will be the gift, how he's gonna get his gift, that's what all I'm going to tell you in this video. So what basically I'm doing this video in behalf of the student, because I have to make this video to let you all guys know how it is very easy to get gifts from MuteBreak, which will keep the students, motivate them to write essays directly on MuteBreak so that they can get something, and much more. So what will happen, I will go to the Reporter account and I will just log into that particular student account by the Reporter account. So here it goes. I'm going to open the student account. I will be writing the email ID. When the account of that particular student gets open, you're going to see some tabs over here which says prize, view price and achieved price. Means the student account who's have open can also view the prizes and can also view the prize which he or she have got. That can be one prize or two prize, because as every article goes more than 2000 views, that particular article can be used to get a free gift for that particular student. So in here, this particular article has more than 2000 views. So how to get this prize? Let me just tell you. The student have to go to mine section, means his own only content will be seen over here, and when this page is gonna open, let's see what's happened. Okay, so these are the contents which have been written by same student. Only these contents of that particular student can be seen over here, and you can see a small prize button also over here. This yellow color prize button appears only upon the article which crosses the 2000 views. This is the programming mechanism of this MuteBreak, that whenever some article crosses the 2000 view, this button gets appear by itself, and once the prize is been booked, this button get disappear by itself, so that nobody can book the prize again and again for the same article. So what will I do? I will just press this prize button over here on the article which have crossed 2000 views, and you can see it over here. The page of the prize window of the prize section has been open, and you can see it over here. There are glasses also, pen also, cleaner also, bag also, headphone also. ladies bag also, hat also, wallet also, and there are many more. We can also just jump to the second page also. So what will I do for this particular video to show how you to book a prize? I will just go to the headphone. Suppose this student needs this headphone, the wireless headphones. I will click to the book button. It will ask you for that you want to book this prize. Just click OK, and one more page is gonna open. Okay, so in this page it says congratulations, now you can get what you want. Now here you have to write your pin code, the country, state and city selections get selected by itself. Address, you have to write your correct address. Suppose I'll be writing India and Shedpur. So you have to write your entire address over here, the correct address on which this product will be delivered from MuteBreak team. Your email ID. So I will be writing my email ID over here. So I have written my email ID also over here, and here you need to write your phone number. After filling the entire detail correctly, you need to submit this form, and as soon as you click the submit button, you're gonna get this prize in your Achieve account. Means this is the Achieve account, means this prize has been booked by you and the status has been confirmed. The message has been sent to the MuteBreak admin panel, and the team members from MuteBreak is gonna book your prize and send it to your doorstep to this particular address, to this particular student or whoever is eligible for this gift or whoever have booked this prize. And now if I'll go to my article page, now let's check the same content, same essay once again. You can see it over here that the prize button vanished from here. Why? Because we just have booked the prize right now, and once the prize has been booked by the student of a particular article, the button disappears by itself. And once again, if some more articles, as you can see, this article Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has 1.4k views. Once this particular article reaches the 2000 views, the button will appear here by itself, and then again this particular student can open his or her reporter account and book a prize for this particular essay once more. And that particular prize, again, it's going to be appear in this Achieve page. It's up to you how many articles of yours get more than 2k views, means more than 2000 views. That many gifts you can book for yourself. More and more prizes will be added in future for students and for the writers, so that you have a great range of choice for yourself to book your prizes and free gift. So guys, I just told you how students can get free gifts from MuteBreak just by making their content having more than 2000 views. Now I will tell you something very interesting, that when you first, let me just log out to the main page, and if I just go to the any magazine or the gazette, if I open, you're going to see a list of content over there, and Remember, if you go to read all section to open the entire article to get a view of it, you're going to get the sharing button at the right hand side of the screen. So these sharing buttons are given over here to share this particular essay, story, poem or content of yours to your social medias, to share with your friends, to share in any pages of the social media. And believe me, if you share these, use these buttons to share this particular content to your social media account, your views will be increased drastically and much more than you have expected. Means if you share once every day, your views gonna increase very fast, and as well as many people's gonna read your essay, story, poem or your content as well as if the views get higher, you will be eligible to get your gift from YouthBreak. So this was the process to book your prize or your free gift from YouthBreak. I hope you all guys have understood. If you have any question, you can just mail it to me, or you can just write it to us from a contact us page, or you can just mail us directly to contact@mutebreak.com also for further queries, for having some more knowledge about this portal. So by this I will be ending this video. Hope you all guys got the knowledge, got the point of my making this video as well. So ask your school, institute or your college to publish their magazine directly online, to create online storybook for students, online essay book, online poem book for students, so that your content get valued and could be read by other schools and other outsiders also, as well as you can achieve some free stuffs also from this YouthBreak. So thank you all guys. I will be ending this video right now.